Surely you have been in a swimming pool more than once, and you have enjoyed the refreshing sensation of swimming and diving. Have you ever asked yourself how the water is kept crystal clean? In this short video, we will show you how. All swimming pools have a filtration system to keep the water clean. This system makes the water recirculate in our swimming pool, making it pass through a series of pre-filters and a main filter, which retains the biggest leaves as well as the smaller particles of dust that fall in the water. The main parts of the filtration system are as follows: skimmer, drain, jet nozzles, water pump, filter, stopcocks. Everything that falls on the surface of the water is pushed towards the skimmer, which is placed at water level on the opposite side of the jet nozzles. There is a basket inside the skimmer which retains the leaves and larger objects that have fallen into the water, preventing blockage of the pump or piping. From the drain and the skimmer, the water travels through the piping, where it reaches a second basket, placed just before the pump propeller which moves the water. This is the pre-filter of the pump. In this second basket, smaller objects such as hair, small leaves and grass that have passed through the first basket are retained. The propeller of the pump moves the water towards the main filter, and it is this that generates the pressure in the whole system. The water coming from the skimmer and the drain is regulated by the valves and pushed by the pump to the top part of our filter. The pumped water passes through the selector valve, which, depending on its position, allows us to choose the filter function. Inside the main filter, there is a filter bed made of sand or glass grains that retains the smaller particles that come from the pool. Once the water has gone through the filter bed, it leaves behind all dust, pollen, or any solid particles. Depending on the kind of filter media, we will achieve a better performance. Glass promotes a lower water and energy consumption during the whole process. On leaving the filter, the water is returned to the pool through the return piping that ends in the jet nozzles, which can be found on the opposite side of our pool skimmer. This cycle of recirculating and filtration of the water is non-stop and ensures that our swimming pool will be free of dirt and our water will always be crystal clear.